Hello everyone, so to make this effective hair oil, here we have taken mustard oil, fenugreek leaves, aloe vera pieces, amla, nigella seeds, fenugreek seeds and dried rosemary. So firstly we are going to heat a mustard oil and then we are going to add fenugreek leaves, then add amla and other ingredients. Cook it very well until all the nutrients of it are dissolved in the oil. We need to let the oil absorb all the nutrients and vitamins from the ingredients. So the rosemary that we are using is we have purchased from the market. You can buy it online also. So after 20-25 minutes, it has completely blackened and now we're going to strain it. Using a cloth, strain it in a bowl. And just pick it up. Squeeze the oil. And now we're going to add more oils into it. Firstly, we're going to add olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Then in this, we're going to add coconut oil. It's virgin coconut oil. Add 3 tablespoons. Now here we have added sesame oil, two tablespoons, and also add castor oil. So mix it very well and this is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.